Creating a WhatsApp channel is a strategic move in today's digital landscape, offering a direct and efficient means of communication with your audience. To embark on this journey, here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a WhatsApp channel. Start by downloading the WhatsApp Business app and verifying your business phone number. This separates your personal and professional communications. Create a compelling business profile with a clear logo, description, and contact information. This sets the stage for your brand identity. Utilize WhatsApp's messaging tools such as automated greetings and quick replies to enhance customer interactions and response times. Build your audience by importing contacts or encouraging customers to opt into your channel. Ensure compliance with privacy regulations. Plan your content carefully, providing value to your subscribers. Share updates, offers, and engage in conversations. Monitor the performance of your channel using WhatsApp Business API analytics or third-party tools to refine your strategies. Promote your WhatsApp channel on your website, social media, and other marketing channels. Creating a WhatsApp channel takes dedication and strategy, but it can be a powerful tool for connecting with your audience and fostering brand loyalty.